Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot tracking code for SEO and lead analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect the HubSpot tracking code for SEO and lead analytics, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. On the dashboard, navigate to the settings icon located in the main navigation bar. In the settings menu, scroll down and select tracking and analytics from the left sidebar. Next, click on tracking code within the options under tracking and analytics. Here, you will find your unique HubSpot tracking code. Copy this tracking code to your clipboard by selecting all and using the copy function. Now, open your website's content management system or CMS. If your website is built on WordPress, access the dashboard and navigate to Appearance. Select Theme Editor or Customize, depending on your theme. Locate the section where you can add custom scripts, usually found in the footer or header section. Paste the HubSpot tracking code in the appropriate section. If your website uses a tag management solution, like Google Tag Manager, open your Tag Manager account. Create a new tag and select Custom HTML as the tag type. Paste the HubSpot tracking code into the Custom HTML field. Set the trigger for this tag to fire on all pages. Save your changes and publish the container. After implementation, return to HubSpot and navigate back to the tracking code page. Here, verify that the code installation has been successful. You can use the browser's built-in developer tools to check if the HubSpot tracking code is firing correctly. Now, start monitoring your SEO performance and lead analytics in the HubSpot dashboard. This will help you gain insights into your website traffic and user behavior. You are now equipped to maximize your SEO efforts and improve your lead generation strategies with HubSpot tracking code. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.